You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm so excited because I just discovered an amazing website that will put money in your pocket. I tell you the truth, it works amazingly. You're going to make good money within hours. I tell you the truth, it works, is legit. It's a very clear, beautiful website that you're going to carry out some little tax and they will pay you accordingly. So if you put your time, if you put your effort, you're going to make more money in this site. So stick to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumb up so that others will also benefit from this awesome website. Without taking much of your time, let's go quickly to the site. The site name is rapidworkers.com. Now, if you click on that, you're going to see what is displayed on your screen. That is what you're going to see. And then there are a lot of options. Now, the first step is for you to sign up with them, and they will send you a mail, a code, a verification code to your email, because you're going to supply them your details and they are very good. So you put in your details and then they will send you a code that you are supposed to respond to them within 24 hours, or if it exceeds 24 hours, the code expires. And so you have to respond to it. Once you fill your details and you submit it, they are going to send you an email and then you respond within 24 hours. This website, they have not less than 100,000 workers and they need more. Now, this is how it works. There are those that advertise their work, the employers and the workers. You can be an employer or a worker. If you have something to promote, if you have business to promote, if you have something, maybe a page to promote, if you have a video to promote, all kind of things, you can see the services displayed on your screen, what the employers can do, what they allow employers, the kind of service they render. And then you can see the workers aspect. There are a lot of things that workers can do. There are a lot of jobs available. You can see it displayed on your screen. These are just little ones I capture. Once you log into this website, this is what you will see, everything. Now let's look at their method of payment. They use PayPal. You just need to have a PayPal account and you are done. They are going to pay you through PayPal. You just press withdraw once you need your money, and they pay your money through PayPal and you get your cash. Very smooth. Now, one beautiful thing about this website is that they have FAQ, that is frequently asked questions. So where you are having problems, where you are having complications, all you need to do is ask them and they respond to you within 24 hours. It's an amazing website. Another unique feature in this website is that they don't reject anybody. That means whether you're from America, you're from Africa, you're from India, from China, wherever you come from, anybody from any country can work in this website. They need anybody. They accept anybody. Now, for workers, you have to follow the steps that are displayed on your screen for you to get the any of the task or job done, for you to start earning. You follow the steps that are displayed on your screen. That way it will be easy for you and you're going to get started. Now, one thing you need to know about this website is any task you complete, you need to submit a proof to them that you have completed a task. That way they are going to pay you. So you don't just complete the task and jump to another one. I want to let you know that discovering this, if I keep it alone, it is not good, because I want you to make money every day. That is why I create this video, so that we can grow together. So you need to check out this website and start making money as a student, as a farmer, as a business owner. If you want more videos on how to make money online, comment below and I will give you the best. Now on Friday, I'm going to share another website. I'm going to give you another amazing website that I just discovered. So please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Now if you have subscribed, be ready. On Friday, I'm going to share with you another beautiful, amazing website that you will also be making money online. Thank you for watching. See you on Friday. Bye-bye.